If you're seeing Epic Games error code 505, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This error is often caused by a temporary launcher issue, a bad internet connection, a VPN problem, or corrupted cache files. So the good news is that it can usually be fixed without doing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background because a simple restart can often clear temporary errors. After that, open the launcher again and see if the problem is gone. If you still get error code 505, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working properly and that other websites or apps are loading normally. If your connection is unstable, restart your router or switch to a more stable network and then try launching Epic Games again. Next, if you're using a VPN, turn it off before trying again. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Epic Games login and server communication, which can trigger errors like 505. Once the VPN is disabled, reopen the launcher and test it again. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This can remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. To do that, fully close the launcher, then open your Run Dialog or File Explorer and navigate to the Epic Games cache folder on your system. Delete the launcher cache files, then restart your computer and open Epic Games again. Clearing cache is one of the most effective fixes for launch and connection issues. After that, try signing in and launching the game once more. If you still see the error, sometimes the issue is simply on Epic Games' side. In that case, try again later after a short wait, because server-related problems can resolve themselves automatically. So, to recap, the best fixes for Epic Games error code 505 are restarting the launcher, checking your internet connection, disabling your VPN, clearing the launcher cache, and trying again later if the servers are having issues. These steps solve the problem for most users and take only a few minutes to test. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech and gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.